Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you how to delete all your browsing history in Chrome on Android. Whether you want more privacy or just need to free up some space, this is super easy. Let's get started. All right, first thing, open the Chrome app on your Android phone. You'll see your tabs in the address bar at the top or the bottom. Now, tap on the three vertical dots at the top right corner of the screen. This opens your Chrome menu with a bunch of different options. Okay, scroll down and tap on History. You'll see a list of all the websites you visited recently. If you just want to delete a few sites, you can tap the X next to each one, but we're going to delete everything. Here's the thing. Tap on Delete Browsing Data at the top of the history page. This will open up the clearing options. Make sure browsing history is checked. You can also check cookies and site data and cached images and files if you want to clear everything. Now, tap on the time range dropdown at the top. Select All Time to delete your entire history from the beginning. Once you've selected everything you want to remove, tap Delete Data at the bottom. Chrome will ask you to confirm, just tap Clear Data again. And that's it. All your Chrome browsing history is now completely deleted. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.